Personal presentation. My name is Deise Alejandra Posada Barrero. I am 26 years old. I am from Espinal, Tolima. I live with my beautiful daughter, Indit Morena. I am supervised and touched. I am a student psychologist. My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite TV show is La Voz Kid. This is my family. My mother is Daisy Liliana Barrero. She is 55 years old. She is housewife. She is from Espinal, Tolima. My mother is very friendly. She is tall, eyes are black, and she has curly hair. My father is Jorge Posada. He is 54 years old. He is security guard. He is from Espinal, Tolima. My father is nice. He is tall and has green eyes. My sister is Marcela Posada. She is 28 years old. She is housewife. She is from Espinal, Tolima. My sister is sweet. She is short. Her eyes are brown. He has long black hair. My brother is Jorge Posada. He is 29 years old. He is from Espinal, Tolima. My brother is gentle. He is tall. Her eyes are green. He has strange hair. My daughter Salome Posada. She is 7 years old. My daughter is very good, sweet. Her eyes are brown and she has short blonde hair.